I just arrived in Lisbon. It's gorgeous here. I really like the neighborhood I'm staying in. I'm staying in Gracia. I think right now I am just gonna walk around and get a coffee, maybe some fruit. I'm trying to figure out how to turn this day around. The reason I'm in Portugal is because I was supposed to volunteer on this farm, but she had to cancel because there was a huge storm. Then instead I was like, okay, I'll take a day trip up to Sinterra and visit the palaces, and I get here early in the morning and they're all closed because of the storm as well. You can't even hike up to see around the castle. I am pretty bummed. Also, my dad was supposed to come on this trip, but his flight got canceled. So, we gotta turn this around. I went to that vegan cafe and I got the traditional Portuguese like custard tart. And it's traditionally made with the egg yolk because it's a custard, but these were vegan. It's very good. It's not super sweet. It's a little like citrusy. I walked past a vintage store and I got this skirt. Even the event I wanted to go to tonight got canceled. It's kind of nice to be in that familiar environment somewhere else. And people here are very nice and chatty. So I feel like it would be nice just to be in some sort of communal space. I decided to cook dinner tonight because I realized I like the breakfast and lunch options when I'm out. I got these vegan meatballs. I'll try that. I mostly just worked from different cafes. I walked very far with my backpack on my back, and it definitely hurts. I definitely want to come back to Lisbon and spend a good amount of time here to be able to explore everything around. I don't think this was like a complete flop. It was a bit stressful to have to balance work. I don't mind that this ended up being a solo trip where I kind of just lived somewhere else for a little bit. I definitely want to come back. I don't know when, but I will be back.